From Mars rovers to robotic gas pumps, these inventions prove the future is incredible. Here are some of the most futuristic inventions that are on another level. ARCA Eco Rocket. Don't underestimate the ARCA Eco Rocket, a Romanian project using steam power to reach for the stars. It's not just a gimmick. This three-stage rocket can carry real payloads of 10 tons to low Earth orbit. The twist? The first stage blasts off with eco-friendly steam instead of polluting fuel, reaching 8 kilometers before switching to traditional power. But the Eco Rocket gets even wilder. In 2022, they unveiled the Eco Rocket Heavy, a behemoth straight out of a sci-fi game like Kerbal Space Program Simulator. Imagine a colossus, 34.5 meters wide, 28 meters tall, with a mind-blowing 540 propulsion modules. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible, sparking imaginations and the potential for a greener future in space exploration. The Eco Rocket project is a testament to innovation and a more sustainable approach to space travel. By harnessing steam power, they're paving the way for cleaner launches and a brighter future for our cosmic endeavors. Get ready to be amazed once more as we introduce a remarkable lineup of new products that are bound to leave you in awe. Ridge Blade. The wind power industry is booming, with global capacity reaching a staggering 187 gigawatts in 2000 alone. This clean energy source is no longer just for large companies. It's becoming a reality for homeowners too. Enter the Ridge Blade, a revolutionary compact wind turbine designed specifically for pitched roofs. This innovative system boasts impressive durability, standing strong even in harsh weather. Unlike traditional wind turbines, the Ridge Blade thrives in low wind speeds, making it a great option for a wider range of locations. But the Ridge Blade isn't alone. Advancements in wind technology are bringing a variety of options to the table. Silent operation, sleek designs, and scalability are becoming industry standards. Even small rooftop turbines can now generate close to a kilowatt of power, making a significant contribution to your energy needs. These advancements highlight the increasing accessibility and versatility of wind energy. From urban environments to your own home, wind power solutions are empowering individuals and communities to embrace a cleaner, more sustainable future. GuardBot. Originally conceived for Martian exploration, GuardBot proves its versatility on Earth too. This spherical wonder tackles any terrain: sand, snow, mud, even water, thanks to its unique design. GuardBot's adaptability goes beyond landscapes. It transforms to fit the mission. Need a base for a larger explorer? Done. A compact security bot? GuardBot's got you covered. Standing at a minimum of 16.5 inches tall, this speedy robot clocks in at 12 mph on land and 3 mph in water. Imagine it. A silent guardian, packed with tech. Cameras, a microphone, GPS, and a long-lasting battery, up to 25 hours. Keep it informed and operational. It can even be outfitted for cargo hauling. News has reached the US military, and with good reason. Testing at a military base and ongoing talks with the Department of Defense hint at GuardBot's potential to transform military operations. The future of defense might be rolling in, quite literally. Ultra Blue. Forget the robot takeover. Meet Ultra Blue, the warehouse hero here to boost efficiency, not steal jobs. News loves to talk about robots replacing warehouse workers, but Ultra Blue is here to collaborate. This tireless robot works 24/7, churning through a staggering 1,000 boxes per hour. Integrating seamlessly with existing equipment, it only needs one human teammate to keep an eye on things. Ultra Blue isn't your average box handler. It's a master stacker, meticulously organizing your warehouse space. While it might not be gentle with fragile items, it excels with clothing, books, and dry goods. Think of it as your tireless stockroom assistant. The result? Warehouses everywhere can unlock a new level of productivity. Say goodbye to wasted space and hello to streamlined operations with Ultra Blue by your side. This robot revolution isn't about replacing workers. It's about empowering them to achieve more. Secure your seats tightly, as the revelation of these two extraordinary innovations is certain to astound you and ignite an unquenchable thirst for more. Auto fuel. We've got self-driving cars, but gas stations stuck in the 1950s? Not anymore! Enter auto fuel, the robotic gas station revolution dreamed up by clever Danish engineers. Here's how it works. Pull in, and the system reads your license plate, grabbing your fuel preference and payment info. Follow the on-screen prompts, park, and let the robotic arm do the rest. It's fully automated refueling. Fill up your tank while you grab a coffee or catch up on emails. The beauty? Auto fuel works with all your fuel options. Petrol, gas, electricity, you name it. Plus, it integrates smoothly with existing pumps, meaning a win-win for gas station owners. A happy customer experience and potentially higher profits. So, ditch the gas pump jockey and say hello to a future of convenient, time-saving refueling. Auto fuel is here to get you back on the road faster than ever before. OMNI fibers. Forget static clothing. OMNI fiber is here to redefine what fabric can do. It may look ordinary, but hidden within are tiny channels that transform with air or water pressure. In simpler terms, this fabric can remember and mimic your movements. This isn't just for fashionistas. Athletes can use OMNI fiber to refine technique, dancers to perfect their form, and anyone can use it to relearn natural breathing patterns. Plus, it works with regular sewing machines, so designers can get creative. Imagine an opera singer wearing OMNI fiber undergarments that help them maintain perfect posture. This technology can even aid post-surgery recovery or support people struggling with depression. After all, proper breathing is vital for overall well-being, as the developers themselves point out. OMNI fiber is a game changer, blending function and versatility. It can enhance athletic performance, aid recovery, and promote overall well-being. This is a revolutionary step forward in textile technology, and it's about to move us all in exciting new directions.